quizzes or surveys like these are almost irresistible to us humans. We just feel the urge to click. We can't help it, we just want to answer. Admit it, at one point or another you could not hold back to find out what personality type you are, what your spirit animal is, or find out the date when you finally win the lottery, or discover what sign your partner should be so you can live happily ever after. So we just click, and when you think as a business owner, which I assume you are or want to become when you're here on my channel, then you know that getting the click is already a very important step. But of course, this is only half the story. What we need are conversions. We want people to opt in on our landing page. Because once they have opted in, even if they don't buy anything from you right away, or you don't offer them anything to buy at all at the top of your funnel, you can now email them and with your automated welcome and nurturing email sequences, build up to your offer, your webinar or your affiliate products you promote. So let me show you how you can build your own quiz/survey funnel in systemeio and then trigger different email campaigns based on which answer someone clicked in your quiz. By the way, don't worry about people who will unsubscribe from your emails again right away after they opted in to just complete your quiz. If they are not interested and don't want to see your content, then it's better that they remove themselves from your email list anyway. So let's jump into my systemeio account and build a survey/quiz landing page. And to make this video a bit shorter and to the point, I just focus on the main steps you want to follow to build your own survey and email automation. In my last video about how to build your own link page in systemeio, I explained step by step how to start creating a new funnel page, and how funnel pages are fundamentally structured. So if you're interested, watch this video here next after watching this one. So now that I've created a new very simple squeeze page by selecting one of the many free templates in systemeio, let's build out our survey. The first thing we want to do is to get rid of the current opt-in form here, so we simply delete the entire element. Next we scroll to the survey element in the left menu and drag it onto our page. We now can start building our survey/quiz by clicking on the element, and then in the relevant settings menu on the left, you can edit all your questions and answers. So let's make an example here. What you want to do is to ask your audience a question about something that they really want to know. Something that's on their mind, something that bothers them, a pain point, a problem they have. If you're in the fitness niche, this could be, for example, are you sabotaging your goals? Find out what fitness type you are. Then your answers could be something along the lines of, I work out 3 to 5 times a week and eat healthy. I rarely exercise, but I'm always mindful of my diet. I don't work out and eat whatever I want whenever I want. YOLO! You get the idea. Based on which answer someone selected and then opted in on the next step, which we will get to in a second, you can assign different tags to the new contacts. To continue with our example, you could offer a personal one-on-one coaching to people who clicked answer 1. For people who chose answer 2, you could offer a personalized workout plan. And for people who answered with number 3, offer them a free PDF about how to start a workout routine from zero or something like that. Also keep in mind that instead of promoting your own products, or if you don't have any own products at all, you can always choose to promote affiliate offers that you can find on affiliate marketplaces such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo or others. Let's go ahead with the niche I'm in, which is building an automated online business and affiliate marketing. So making money online in the broad sense. Therefore, I could ask the following question about the problem my audience has in their business, and then hint at possible solutions in the answers. What's the biggest obstacle you face in your online business right now? Could be the question I ask. And my answers could be, I want to create my own course but don't know where to start. Or I'm a business coach but I'm somehow stuck on my way. Or I want to monetize my email list. Now, once we added all the questions and answers, you see here on the right side that we can assign a tag to each answer. So let's say if someone clicks on answer 1 here, then I want to assign the tag online course to that contact. For answer 2, the tag BizCoach, and for answer 3, the tag email marketing. Close this window and don't forget to save your funnel page from time to time up here. Once we're done with the survey part, we also need to set up the second step in the form, which is the opt-in part. So click here on Final Step and create your form. You can add more input fields, for example name, country, phone number, whatever you want, or just remove the name field and only leave email to make it as quick and easy as possible for them to opt in. Remember, the more steps someone has to complete on your funnel page, the lower your conversion rate will be, because we humans are just lazy. Also change the design of the button here so it matches your brand design and colors, etc. Important, here you also need to define what happens next when someone submits this form. This here must be on send form, otherwise your funnel won't work and the new contact will not get added to your list. By default, once the form is submitted, the next page in your funnel will be shown. So you could just add a simple thank you page, or maybe a bridge page where you make them an offer for something. This is entirely up to you and not part of this tutorial here. I just want to mention it in case you wonder what happens after someone opted in. Okay, save your page again, then click on the eye icon to preview it. Looks pretty good, right? So let's test our masterpiece here in real life. Leave the page editor and then click on View Funnel Step. At the top you see the real URL of your page. As I've already linked my own domains and subdomains to my system.io account, you see my subdomain here in the address bar. If you're new to system.io and or haven't connected your own domain yet, you'll see your default system.io subdomain with your username instead. Don't worry, this can easily be changed at any point. So let's answer our quiz here with answer 2 and then opt in with one of my email addresses. Now at this stage no emails will be sent out, of course, because we haven't yet set that up. But that's not the point yet. Let's go back into the system.io account and to the contacts menu. Here you see our new contact that has just opted in. When we click on this contact, we can see all the details like which emails have ever been sent out, which emails were opened, or when a link was clicked in an email, purchases of this contact, and so much more. And then here under surveys, we can see what we have just created. This contact has answered with answer 2, and therefore also has the tag BizCoach assigned, as you can see here. Now at this point, what we want to do is to trigger different email campaigns based on which tag is assigned to a new contact. To do that, we would go to the automation rules menu up here and then click on create. On the left side you see the trigger of your automation rule, and on the right side the action. So as it says here, when this event happens, do this. Click on the plus here to see all the options you have with system.io to automate your business. In our case here, we want to select tag added and then we need to choose our tag. To continue with our example, let's select the tag online course, which gets added to contacts who select answer 1 in our quiz. Now we need to define what happens as soon as that tag is assigned to the contact, so click on the plus on the right side and again you can see all the options you have. I've said it many times on my channel already and I just have to say it again. You can start building everything we just did on a free system.io plan. Now on the free plan you just have one tag and one automation available, but then again it's absolutely free. Not just a free trial, it's free without a time limit. But even when you upgrade to a paid plan, you spend far less than you would for any other funnel builder and marketing platform, which also offer way less features than system.io. Sorry, got carried away for a sec. Now we want to choose what happens when that tag gets assigned to our new contact. For example, let's say we just want to send out one single email, so we would select send email. Once we do that, we can then start writing that email by clicking on this plus icon here, or choose an existing email that's already in your system.io account. And done. I have just opted in again on our quiz page and this time selected answer 1, which was I want to create my own course but don't know where to start. And as you can see here, the test email is in my inbox. And would you look at that? This kind person / very smart marketer has sent me a perfectly targeted solution to my problem. A training called Launch It! Create your course and sell it for up to $997 in the next 7 days. Now, it's likely that you don't want to send out just one single email, but instead an entire email campaign. A campaign is a series of emails that you set up to be sent out over a period of time. For example, you could send out the first email 5 minutes after the new contact answered your quiz. Then you could add a waiting time of 1 day, for example, or 1 hour, or 3 days, but not on weekends, or whatever you want before sending the second email and the third, and so on. You can add as many emails as you want to your campaigns and make a campaign as long as you want. This could be weeks or even months. And during all that time, all those emails can continuously generate sales for you on autopilot, depending on what offers you promote and how much value you provide in your emails. If you want to take it even a step further, you not only can create simple automation rules like this, but you can go into the workflow menu up here and create much more complex automations with decision trees, such as does a contact have this tag but not that tag, or did a contact not click or open that email or visit that page, and so on. The possibilities for automations are almost endless. And if there's something you can't do with systemeio yet, we can always use external tools such as Zapier, Make or Pipedream to build out much more advanced automation rules in your business. Also, systemeio is working on their own API, so integrating external tools will very soon become even much easier. So if you're not using systemeio yet, what are you even waiting for? When you get started by clicking the first link in the description below, you will get all my free bonuses and, as a limited offer, even my personal help and support. By the way, let me know in the comments if you want a free copy of this quiz page that we have just created. I can make it shareable so that you can import it directly into your systemeio account at the click of a button. Let me know. And should you still be unsure of whether systemeio is a good choice for your business, watch this video next here where I explain why I switched my business to systemeio after 4 years on another platform.